Hafa, are you ready for a faster, more reliable internet experience? Introducing GTA's wireless home internet. GTA can now provide internet speeds of up to 100 megabits per second to your home wirelessly. That's faster than you can say Hafa Tatamano how. And just because it's wireless doesn't mean it's any less reliable than GTA's wired internet. Unlike the competition, we use a dedicated spectrum, which means you'll have a stronger, more reliable connection that outperforms our leading competitor, with literally no strings attached. Here's Larry to explain the installation process.
Hafa day. Today I'm pleased to walk you through your wireless home internet installation. After you've signed up for wireless home internet, our GTA technician will visit your home for a site survey to ensure we can deliver your desired speed. Once this is complete, we will schedule an installation time that is convenient for you. There are two pieces of equipment that will need to be installed. The first is our wireless home antenna, which will be installed on the exterior of your home, on the roof or wall, clear from obstruction to ensure the best signal strength. The second is a small indoor power supply, which will be plugged into the wall and connected to your home network. We may need to drill a small hole for the wire that connects the outdoor antenna to the power supply. While the outdoor antenna is the preferred solution, there could be the option to use indoor router equipment without an antenna. With your GTA wireless home connection now installed, you can start enjoying faster speeds.
Thanks, Larry, and thank you for your interest in wireless home internet. GTA is pleased to bring this exciting new service to these selected areas across the island. For more information, call 671-644-4482 or visit us at www.gta.net. Voted Pika's Best 2021 for Best Internet Provider on Guam's most reliable network, we start with you.